What is the value of the expression 9 plus 99 divided by 3 times open parenthesis 7 plus 4 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 9 plus 99 and write this expression as 108 divided by 3 times 7 plus 4 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the division between 108 and 3. And this expression simplified to 36 multiplied by 7 plus 4 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 36 times 11, which ultimately gives them the answer 396. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 9 plus 99 divided by 3 times 11. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 3 and 11 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 9 plus 99 divided by 33. Then, they go for the division between 99 and 33 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. And they rewrite this expression as 9 plus 3, which ultimately gives them the answer 12. Then, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 9 plus 99 divided by 3, then times 11. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 99 and 3, which simplified this expression to 9 plus 33, then times 11. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 33 and 11, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 9 plus 363, which ultimately gives us the answer 372. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.